Some days I swear that I could fly, and some days I do. Then come days when part of me will fear this love of ours is insincere. This love of ours is insincere. When I'm feeling better, I write a desperate letter to that cold and stubborn version of me. But every time I'm back there, my entire world goes black there. And so my eyes can hardly even see. Some days I swear that I could die, 'cause in some ways I'm through. Ooh, then come days that guide us loud and clear, 'cause with this magic we have here, our love is surely anything but insincere.
Insincere, don't think about it.
Not my choice, my dear, I'll think about it.
We're not insincere, get out of your head.